Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam when it gets stuck in offline mode. If you've run into this issue, don't worry. You're not alone. And the good news, it's actually a pretty simple fix. Let's get your Steam back online in just a few easy steps. First, we need to open the Task Manager. This is a handy tool in Windows that shows all the programs and processes running on your computer. You can open it by right-clicking on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager, was ist now bei door. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to bring it up instantly. Once you're in Task Manager, you'll see a list of all active applications. Scroll through until you find Steam, then right-click it and select End Task. This doesn't just close the window, it completely shuts down Steam, which is often all it needs to switch from offline to online mode. Now, relaunch Steam by double-clicking its icon. Depending on your settings, you may need to log in again, so have your credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you should see the Steam homepage. Here's the key part. Look at the top left corner for the Steam menu. Click it, and from the drop-down list, select Go Online. Steam will take a few moments to reconnect, and just like that, you should be back online, ready to play your games, join multiplayer sessions, and get all the latest updates. If this doesn't work right away, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a quick restart of your router or checking your firewall settings can help. And if all else fails, Steam support is always there to guide you further. That's it. With these simple steps, you can fix Steam stuck in offline mode and get back to gaming without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.